The journey begins across tropical farms where pineapples are grown at massive scale.
After the fruit is harvested, strong leaves remain around every plant.
The valuable fruit leaves the field first. The fiber-rich foliage stays behind. Workers cut close to the base to preserve the longest possible fibers. Organized bundles keep the material cleaner and make transport more efficient. Weak or contaminated leaves are removed before they can reduce fiber quality. The accepted leaves are packed for a short journey to the local extraction center. The leaves move quickly, so natural fibers remain fresh and workable. Every incoming load is weighed to track farm supply and processing yield. The collection center turns loose farm bundles into a controlled production flow. Soil and unwanted plant matter must be removed before washing and extraction. High-pressure water removes dirt and natural residue from every surface. Straight, evenly fed leaves help the extraction machines pull continuous fibers.
Decortication removes the soft plant tissue and exposes the strong fibers hidden inside.
Even the removed plant tissue can return as compost, fertilizer, or biomass. Initial washing removes remaining tissue and sticky natural sap. Slow drum washing cleans the fibers while protecting their length. The fibers are rinsed until they are pale, smooth, and free from residue. Removing excess water reduces drying time and prevents uneven moisture.
Even spreading allows air to reach every strand. Controlled warm air dries the fibers without scorching or weakening them. Only fibers within the correct moisture range can move to combing.
Combing straightens the fibers and removes tangles that would create weak spots. Air filtration removes dust and short fragments without damaging the best fibers. Length, strength, color, and softness determine how each batch will be used. Compression makes lightweight fibers easier to store and transport. Protected storage prevents clean fibers from absorbing humidity before the next stage. The cleaned fiber now leaves the farm region for the factory that will build the sheet material. The sheet factory begins by opening the compressed bales back into loose fibers. Blending balances natural variation in color, softness, and strength. The fibers are distributed in a thin, even layer across the full sheet width. Multiple layers create strength in more than one direction. Needle punching tangles the layers together without traditional weaving. Heat and pressure stabilize thickness and improve the mat's strength. The backing gives the plant fiber layer dimensional support for cutting and stitching. A water-based binder adds cohesion while helping the material remain flexible. Curing fixes the binding layer without making the sheet rigid.
The signature grain is pressed into the surface before color is added. The color is carefully mixed to match a warm caramel brown luxury finish.
An even pigment layer transforms the pale fiber sheet into the collection's signature color. Finishing layers improve water resistance, flexibility, and everyday durability. Gradual drying prevents bubbles, streaks, and brittle coating. Polishing creates a premium satin sheen without an artificial mirror gloss. Visual inspection catches holes, weak sections, wrinkles, and coating defects. Tensile and abrasion tests confirm that the sheet can resist pulling force and repeated surface wear. The material must bend again and again without cracking. Rolling protects the surface and prepares the material for product manufacturing. The finished plant-based leather is protected before traveling to the luxury goods factory. Digital design and intelligent pattern nesting turn every usable centimeter into a product component. The material must lie perfectly flat before precision cutting begins.
Camera inspection prevents weak or uneven areas from entering visible product panels. Automated blades cut every shoe and handbag component with repeatable accuracy. The smallest usable pieces can become accessories, samples, or recycled feedstock. As you can see, our integrated assembly line ensures continuity at every stage, culminating in a product built to the highest specifications.
Complete kits keep every size, color, and component together through assembly. Skiving removes thickness where clean folds and seams are required. Reinforcement protects the areas that receive the greatest pulling force. Reusable guides lead skilled workers as flat shoe panels become a precise three-dimensional upper. Plant-based leather must accept tight, precise stitching without tearing. A breathable lining improves comfort and protects the inside of the upper. Eyelets reinforce the lace holes and add a clean metallic detail. The last gives every shoe its final three-dimensional shape. Careful lasting creates smooth contours without overstretching the plant-based material. The hidden lower edge anchors the upper and preserves the shoe's form. The outsole is molded separately to deliver grip, durability, and the collection's dark brown contrast. Even adhesive coverage is essential for a strong, long-term bond. The sole press creates a uniform bond around the entire shoe. Curing time allows the bond to strengthen before the last is removed. A well-lasted shoe should keep its shape even after the form is removed. Internal cushioning converts a shaped shell into a comfortable, wearable shoe. Dark brown laces complete the shoe's functional contrast and secure fit. Hand finishing removes the small irregularities machines cannot judge. Flex testing checks movement, bonding, and comfort before a pair is approved. The protective finish helps resist brief contact with moisture.
A premium pair must match in color, stitching, proportions, and finish.
A structured handbag begins as a carefully organized family of flat shapes.
Internal reinforcement lets the handbag stand upright and carry weight.
The cotton lining, storage pockets, and precision zippers are completed before the outer handbag closes around them. The bag's outer body rises gradually from flat caramel brown panels.
Turning reveals whether the seams, corners, and reinforcement were aligned correctly.
The lining completes the interior while hiding the structural construction beneath it. Layered handles combine softness in the hand with strength under load. Parallel stitching controls the handle shape and shares the pulling force.
Handles are anchored where extra internal support can carry repeated loads.
Gold tone hardware adds controlled contrast while completing the bag's functions. Dark brown edge paint is applied, dried, sanded, and recoated until every exposed layer becomes perfectly smooth.
The most difficult corners receive focused hand polishing.
Temporary filling protects the bag's shape during inspection, storage, and shipping. Every finished item receives one final review before approval. Stitching, hardware, lining, texture, color, and strength must all meet the same premium standard. Small correctable flaws are repaired rather than wasting an otherwise sound product.
The same pineapple leaf material now unites two very different luxury products.
Professional photography records the exact color, grain, and proportions customers will see. Protective recyclable packaging keeps the shoes clean while reducing unnecessary material. The dust bag protects the surface from rubbing during storage and transport.
The enclosed information explains that agricultural leaf waste became this material.
Scanning links each finished item to the correct customer order.
Automated handling keeps orders moving, while trained workers monitor the system. Careful carton loading prevents movement and damage during transport. The finished collection begins its final journey towards stores and customers.
In the showroom, the collection is presented with the same care used to make it. The final proof is a product that looks refined, feels natural, and performs in use. The finished material must move comfortably, not simply look beautiful.
Between these two surfaces lie washing, fiber science, pressure, color, and craftsmanship.
Shoes and handbags share the same color, texture, and carefully controlled finish.
Discarded leaves have become a coordinated collection built for modern use.
Every line, edge, and fitting is designed to feel refined, durable, and modern. What looks like premium leather began as something once left behind in a field. Agricultural waste becomes farmer income, engineered material, and enduring design. The luxury finish is new, but the material still remembers where it began.